definitely check out Salinas Pueblo Missions. There are 3 locations, and Gran Quivira Ruins is the first of the unique areas we're taking a look at, all within an hour drive of each other in central New Mexico. Only ones here. 3 of them, and we're at this one. Quivira, Gran Quivira. And you can see there is nobody here, all by ourselves. Checking out the first of 3 of these old ruins, so hopefully it looks good. Cool. Oh, there it is up on the hill. There you go. Looks like the visitor center is closed. What do they look like? They have a restroom here. Plenty of benches. Trash cans, and I'm not sure what that is. Looks like an excavation thing. Alright, we're gonna go up this ramp and go to the ruins. So we looked online that a lot of people don't come out to this one. It's a little more isolated. It wasn't a bad drive. We were driving from Manzana State Park, and that was about a 50-minute drive. So not horrible. Good spot to stay to. It's up in the pines. It's a really pretty area. It's really nice. It's kind of scrubby desert, and yeah, real pretty. This is great if you have a wheelchair. A little bit steep. These old ruins. You might get slightly out of breath. 5,000 feet or so. I think Manzana's was 7,000 feet. Get used to it, acclimate if you're not used to a higher area. Not sure what all that is. 2 little mounds. This is pretty cool. The church. Pretty cool. Walking through history. Lots of pathways. I don't know what's wrong with my GoPro, but I'm switching over to my phone. Really cool. This is really neat to explore. Got all these little areas of this old church. See this old stone. Tons of little rooms you can explore. This is neat. Hey, Preston. Pretty cool?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
What do you think? Pretty neat?
Mm-hmm.
This was like an old church, a lot of this. And then they had the older ruins as well. Let's go check this area out. Great views up here.
Or whatever they are. I don't think they're windows. It's probably like that.
Pretty cool, man. Watch your step. You are exploring. Got a few steps here. 1629. A lot of kivas and stuff. This is just a huge structure. So many people are here. It is summer in New Mexico, so it's in the low 90s. It's not bad. 1500s. This was the place to be back in the day. It's actually a nice place to be right now. So we're on the other side of the path. It's wrapping around the structures, and we're just making our way back. It doesn't look like there's too much over on this side. So, see you at the bottom. Drought-resistant corn, and hunting deers and pronghorn and bison. They also have good signage if you are interested in learning about different types of plants. They also have a dog waste station and a trash can. Don't forget to keep your pets on a leash. And this is something we like too, dark sky programs. A lot of other programs too. And as you can see, the parking area is a generous size. And in the middle of the parking area, there is a little picnic area. And a few of them have pretty decent shade. All right, we're on to the next ruins. Hopefully you watch the next video to see which one's better, if this one's better for you, or one of the next two.